Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about
how to play a
quarter
quarter note.
music adventure
Learning piano part 9.
Let's go started.
Yeah!
So, step by step guide on how to play a quarter note.
Yep,
Lina, what you see in the picture?
I see in the picture. So the first one at the top is one whole
note.
whole note.
Yeah. And then the second?
And then the second is two half notes.
Yeah.
Equally.
And the third
And
one?
then the third one is four quarter notes.
Yeah, so basically it's a quarter
Yeah,
note
so one whole
symbol.
A whole note is it's like 4 beats, and then if you split it into half, it's gonna be 2. That makes a half notes, and then if you split those 2 half notes into 4, then it would be 2 quarter notes.
Good, you know that tree.
Yep.
Good job. Let's get started. Next one.
Yeah.
So step by step guide on how to play a quarter note.
So the quarterly method.
Okay. So what is quarterly method here?
Yeah, but let's first read the top one. So those will say the notes, and it also says the name, and it says the quarterly. That's what quarterly did.
Yeah.
And then the counting.
Yeah. So basically, what quarterly do?
It's simply vocalized
as
ta, representing
short detached sound. So he used ta sound to represent the note.
I'll clap it out, ta.
Yeah. Counting each quarter note is counted as 1, emphasizing that it lasts for a single beat.
Yeah.
So one ta is 1 beat. Okay. So let's go more detail in the next one. So play 2 quarter note. So by the quarterly note method.
Okay. Before we start, if you don't see this, the clap, it's spelled wrong. The L is supposed to be before the A.
Yeah, it's a mistake.
Yeah.
It's okay. So use clap to play 2 quarter note. As you see here, 2 quarter notes. So how quarterly used to play quarter note, Lina? Can you show us? No, with your
clapping. Yeah. So it's clap. Set go, clap. Set go, clap.
Ta.
Oh. Set go, ta.
Ta.
Set go, ta.
Yeah.
Set go, ta.
You're
Set
repeating?
go, ta. Oh yeah, I was repeating.
Can do it again?
Set go,
Ta.
ta. Set go, ta. I'm repeating that. Set go, ta.
Set go, ta. So because you were talking about the clap, so you
I accidentally said clap.
That's silly. Okay, let's go next one. Play 3 quarter notes. So how we use quarterly method to play 3 quarter notes.
Okay, set go ta, set go ta, set go ta.
So she's
and I'm
repeating again.
That.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta. Again, one more time.
I'll do it. Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta.
Good. So here is a 3 quarter notes. Okay, let's go the next. So play 4 quarter note this time.
Yep, quarterly method again.
Yeah. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. So how we can use quarterly method?
I'll do 2, you do one of that.
No problem. Go ahead.
Go ta, set go ta, set go
Ta.
set go ta.
You're repeating.
Then I'm repeating it again. Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta, set go ta.
Yeah. One more.
Set go ta.
Okay, so I do it.
Yeah,
set go ta, set go ta, set go ta, set go ta. That's it. One more time for you. I'll count.
Okay. But this is the last time.
Okay.
Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta, set go ta.
Good. Now let's see the next. So play 2 quarter note now in piano. So we learn by demonstrating.
I just played the piano.
Now let's see how Lina we can use in piano.
Yeah.
So use middle C to play two quarter notes.
This is middle C.
Okay, go
So
ahead.
sec goes ta, sec go ta, sec go. Oh yeah, I'm
It's
repeating it.
only two quarter notes. Okay.
Sec go
Ta,
ta, sec go ta.
ta. So you repeating again.
Yeah, I repeated it twice already.
So you do it one more time.
This is the third time.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sec go ta, sec go ta.
Good. So in piano, that sounds like that way. Okay, next. So now play three quarter note in piano. Go ahead, Lina.
Sec.
I'll say and you will play.
Okay.
Okay, how about that?
More.
Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta. Now we repeating again. Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta. One more time. Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta. Good.
I'll sing sec go, but not even the sound.
Okay, so now we have to play four quarter notes again in piano.
Ooh, it's so much.
So I will count and then you're gonna play, okay?
Okay.
Set
There's
go.
one more, I think.
That's okay. Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta, set go ta. Repeat again. There you go. Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta, set go ta.
Repeating again.
One more time. Set go ta, set go ta, set go ta, set go ta. Good.
Repeating again.
Yeah, it's okay. It's already fine. You can
Let's do it.
continue doing it.
Yeah,
Practice.
this is supposed to be one
Yeah.
more. Secota, 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 secota.
Okay.
I did it.
So, what we learned today, Lina? We learned quarter
learned
notes.
the and quarterly method.
Yeah. How he used the quarterly, what he used?
Like, so I'm first gonna do the whole note.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna do with my clapping. So I'm just gonna say it. Ta ah 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 ah. I like to do that.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's a
then-
full
and then-
note.
Yeah, that's a full note. No,
Yeah.
no, it's full note.
Full note, okay.
Whole note, and then now it's a half note. Ta ah.
Mm-hmm.
And then now it's the quarter note that we're doing.
Yeah. Set go ta. Yeah. So quarterly use ta to represent the sound of notes. Okay. So what you need to do here? Practice, 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 and practice.
Practice routine,
Consistency is the key.
Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. Practice diary.
Yeah.
Keep a diary to track progress.
So don't forget, keep practicing. Do the
Progress.
quarterly method and quarter notes this time.